Welcome to Spanos Antics. Welcome to Spanos Antics. So, we kept the Golf. It's a cool little car, just needs some work really. So in this episode we run through a load of little bits that need fixing and give it a service. There's still a few more things to fix. As I fix one thing, something else breaks. But we're getting there. Next quick job, something's just turned up in the post, and it is a new headlight for that old crap smashed jalopy. So apparently removing a headlight on a Mark 1 involves removing the entire bumper, grille. What a faff. Gotcha. It's out. What a bastard. All the bulbs are still in it. Luckily, sometimes when you buy a light for breaker's yard, they'll take all the bits out. Oh no, that's a different plug. Oh no, same plug. Panic over. Right. Reverse. Okay, put it back together. Last screw. And we're done. Sweet. Right, well, we don't mess about. Door cards are off. We're going to make them prettier. We've pulled out the centre sections and we're going to de-skankyify this horrible thing and put some nice new fabric on it. We're about to loosen off all these tangs and pull the whole centre sections out, and then we're going to try and clean up the rest of the frames.
You know what they do on the...
Oh, that is disgusting. Oh. I'm just re-sticking the original tangs down. These are the ones we had to snap off the back. Well, they're not perfect, but it is a lot better. Got the plastic trim back on. How much cleaner and nicer does that look? Way better. Ooh. eBay special roof bars. Check them out. Boom, roof rack bars in action. They work well, match right in. While I'm out, I might treat the old gal. Treat it to a oil change. So I'm just nipping to GSF over some horrendous speed bumps. Well, while we're here, we're going to drop this oil out. Ooh. There she goes. Out with the old oil filter. In with the new one. Click the filter on. Use my string tightener. I don't have the specific tool for this. So it's just a loop of string. You wrap it around on itself and put it through itself. It acts as a self-tightening loop. Screwdriver in. And see? Round it goes. Right, that's that nice and tight. Oh, that is skanky. I think that's one of the worst air filters I've ever seen. She gone. Spanko. Next up, cabin filter. Comes out from under there. Again, I think this is the most disgusting one I've ever seen. Look at the state of it. Nice and clean. Disgusting. I had to pry it out, it was so grimy and minging. God, I wonder if it's going to make it smell better inside when the heating's on. So, I got me a Chinese automatic headlight switch. Let's open it up and have a look, shall we? Bada bing! So it's basically to replace the switch with a little light sensor gizmo. Just gonna bang it in, see if it works. The thing is to get the light switch out, and to do that you have to push it in until it clicks and then turn the other way. And bada boom. And there's that big bit that needs to come off. There's a couple of tangs, one either side. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Out she comes. So there's old, and there's bling bling new with special zippy cable. Chuck it in, shall we? And take this and route it round. Yeah, man. Okay, switch is in. Looks very blingy. So let's see if it works. Oh, it feels nice. That's ignition on.
Absolutely 100%. It's so common that there was a scene in Coronation Street in the 80s where Mavis said, "I've got that flutter in my heart." So I thought, oh, it's not just me. I thought what you meant was the thing where you...
So as you can see, the lights are on. I've covered up the sensor. We de-cover the sensor. And lights are still on. Oh no, they've turned themselves off. Must be a delay. So, just to recap on the headlight switch, it works amazingly. Considering I think how much it costs. I'll put a link in, they weren't a lot. So, when on auto, at night time, when you leave the car and lock the car, the headlights stay on for about 30 seconds and then they turn off. And then when you come back to the car and unlock the car, the headlights will come on and stay on until you start the ignition, which is pretty cool. Or probably stay on for 30 seconds. And then in the daytime, it doesn't do anything. And then it also auto comes on and off as you drive around. That is a bargain upgrade. Pretty sweet. So yeah, get you one of them. Hope you enjoyed this episode. Don't forget, like and subscribe. In the next episode is how to lower your Mark IV Golf / Golf estate. Check it out next week.